So should I try to file my own US patent without the help of a patent attorney? Of course not. I'm an attorney. That's my job. I'm going to tell you to hire a patent attorney. I'm a little biased. But I guess the real answer is it depends. Okay. If you do not have enough money, to hire a patent attorney, there are maybe a couple other options that might be better than nothing, better than doing it on your own. There's a special role called a patent agent. Patent agent is someone who has a technical degree, usually a Bachelor of Science or more, master's or doctorate degree, and they have passed the patent bar. They've not yet gone to law school, but they have passed a special bar that allows this technical, scientific, engineering type individual represent inventors before the patent office. And so without being an attorney, you can be a patent agent. Typically, those agents, not always, are less expensive. And so you can look at them as an option to be, hey, this is someone who knows how to write an application, may not be able to offer you a legal opinion or help you with infringement concerns down the road, but at least it can help you, write a better application. They're familiar with the formatting and all the loops and how to deal with examiners. So look at that first. I guess the next step might be, there are resources to, hey, this book behind me, Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. We've got our YouTube channel. Check out @BoldPatents. Maybe you're watching right now. Free resources to go learn before you file your own. So that way you're informed, as much as you can. And it happens a lot. I'll just say it where we end up we're helping inventors that have filed their own and they've gotten that horrible, what's called an office action from an examiner. And now they've got to come back, respond to it in a professional way, and they need help. So we end up looking at it and say, oh gosh, you may need to actually refile your application, fix some things up, and get your application over the finish line. It's not the worst thing in the world. Yes, ideally, we would have been the one to help you prepare the application out of the gate, but I understand cost and resources and time is not always in your favor. So the answer to the question is no. You should try to hire a patent attorney if possible. If you can't afford it, try a patent agent. Before filing on your own blindly, go get educated and informed first. So hope that helps with that question.